I happened to have made this the other day when I was making a jambalaya. We're only gonna use about 2 tablespoons. Next, we're gonna prepare the cilantro lime dressing. We're going to put 2 limes or 4 tablespoons of lime juice in a bowl, or I like to put this kind of stuff in a mason jar because it's easy to mix up. Three tablespoons of olive oil in there. We're gonna put some fresh cilantro in there. A teaspoon of red pepper flakes in there. Now it's gonna be salt and pepper to taste. Now if you have this in a bowl, you can whisk it, but I'm gonna go ahead and shake it in my mason jar. All right, now we got our cilantro lime dressing for our salad. Next, we're gonna toss the salad together, but first we need to dice all of our vegetables. The vegetables we're gonna put in this salad are 1 cucumber, and I actually just discovered that my boyfriend was hungry earlier and decided to eat part of my cucumber, but you'll wanna put a whole cucumber in your salad. I've got, we're gonna do 1/4 of red onion diced, an avocado, and about 1 cup or maybe a little more of cherry tomatoes. I love tomatoes, so can't have enough of those. Prepare the chicken to cook on the grill. Cut these in half so they'll cook nice and quick on the grill. I'm gonna place them in a pan that will make it easy for me to season. So I'm gonna rub about 1 tablespoon of olive oil, both sides of the chicken so the seasoning sticks well. Season these breasts with about 2 tablespoons of our Cajun seasoning mix. And make sure that's covered well on both sides of the chicken. You might have to rub it in there a little bit to get good coverage. Your chicken's gonna take about 3 to 4 minutes on each side, but you'll wanna check the temperature and make sure the internal temperature is 165 degrees. The thicker the chicken, the longer it's gonna take to cook. All right, then I'm gonna close it and let it cook for a few minutes. Now it's about time to flip the chicken over. The corn without the husk, you'd have to flip around every 5 minutes or so you don't burn one side. I'm gonna go ahead and roll these as well. Now I'm gonna go ahead and check the internal temperature of the chicken and make sure it has reached at least 165. Our chicken is ready, so I'm gonna go ahead and pull it off of the grill. This one's looking like it's about done. These ones might need a little bit more time. I'm gonna check that after I pull the chicken off. Everything's ready to put together on the plate. Finally, I'm going to drizzle a little of our cilantro lime dressing on the top.